high. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Bubble bath. I bought this one, and it's not only a polish, it's also a strength, and yeah, it's kind of good for your nails with the wheat protein. So it's a nude color, and at the same time is also healthy for your nails. So I'm gonna try this one. So I applied Color Club Black, and it's where is the soiree, I think, yes. And so I got OPI on and Color Club on these two, and I have bought this new from Moyra. This is a mirror powder blue, and it's new. So I want to try it. So I'm gonna do it where I painted my nails black. And I want to try something new, and that is, because normally when I apply powders I put a no wipe top coat, but today I want to try to use Clear Jelly Stamper base coat, because this is a sticky base coat. So I want to see if I can use this one. Dry a few seconds. So I'll try something new again. I want to try and use my finger. That's also new, because normally I use a silicone tool. So yeah. I don't know, there's kind of a spot there. I don't know what I did. Maybe it wasn't quite dry. But otherwise it works with the sticky base coat. This is Bridal, and it's number 07 from Moyou, London. Today I'm using my Beauty Big Bang stamper, and I just love this color. I'm using Hit the Bottle stamping polish, a Bolt from the Blue, and Born Pretty black stamping polish. Clear jelly stamper, no smudge. Oh wow, so beautiful, this blue color. Really beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. These are the nails, the finished nails. So it can be a little bit difficult the first time you use a product. So I'm sure I will make more beautiful next time. If you like the nails, please leave a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe. I make my own designs once a week. Once a week I paint my nails and I upload it to my channel. And I always, always, always make beautiful nails. And I always have new products to show. Well, nearly always. So yeah. I'll see you next week. Bye. Bye-bye.
Loving is no swipe.